John Deere 40. Yeah. 1948 Model A, John Deere, Michael Belber, look at Ohio. Yeah, that's nice. There's another one. Says it's a Ford. I never knew Ford made a tractor. Or, yeah, hardly. Now that I said that, I do. Yeah. I just didn't know they made them way back when. What year is that?
I have no idea. 40s, 50s.
40 something probably for that Ford there, the gray one.
It's not an NA.
No. No. It was just the 8, I think. Ford. 2 or 8, I believe what you said.
Bob.
Oh, Ferguson.
They're saying it's a 2 or 8 Ford from the 40s.
A whole lot better than the horse.
So very nice. 40, 45 quickie, TN 78. So I'm sure somebody out there will know what these are. There we got looks like a manure spreader. It's got steel wheels and spokes. Goes back. And here we got I'll ask this gentleman what's on the back here. What's on the back there? Is that washer?
Yeah, it's washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer. That's
No,
what.
it's just washer.
That'd been my guess. Yeah.
That's a ringer up on top.
Okay. That's an old washer from what age? Approximately.
I don't know, to 100 years old. But not
Okay.
better.
It's possibly 100 years old. So 1920s possibly in that era. Yep. One of the first washing machines, I suppose. That top thing is a wringer, and you pull the clothes out, and I guess something would the tractor supply power to that and
Yeah, the belt down on the other.
agitate it or whatever.
See the belt down there?
Okay, yeah, belt driven. Yeah, very nice. I don't know if I've seen one like that. Made in Lansing, Michigan. Yeah, don't know if you can see that very good.